Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another food review, baby.
Yummy.
TRE, TriniRican Eat. What episode we up to? This is like episode 4 or 5. I done lost count.
Well, the scale told me it was about
What did the scale tell you?
like 10 pounds in.
Jeez. Guys, today we are doing a food review of
Five Guys.
burgers and fries.
From Five Guys.
Guys, have you ever been there? Let us know. Comment below if you ever been to Five Guys. One thing I like about Five Guys is they fry everything in with peanut oil.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Peanut oil. It's supposed to be healthier.
I remember before COVID, they would have a whole bunch of peanuts out that you can just grab it and snack on
Really?
it. Yeah. You've never seen that?
No.
They'd have bins of peanuts, fresh peanuts,
wow.
in the store. You can grab some. I don't know if they charge you. I'm not too sure if you have to pay for it or you could just sample it, but who cares?
It's free. It's free. Free things always taste better, they say.
Yeah, and when you walk in the store, you can notice that they have bags of Idaho potatoes.
Big white bags of Idaho potatoes.
All along the store, you walk in, you see nothing but Idaho potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
I know we're talking a lot.
Food gonna get cold.
Food gonna get cold, so let's jump right in. Oh, another thing, guys. Five Guys, you can actually see them prepare your food. That's one thing
I love
like.
that.
Guys, when we walked in, we watched them make our food. Maybe I'll drop a clip of them preparing our food, but that's one thing you can see. So can't nobody do nothing bad to your food, you know?
Mm-hmm. And they all wore gloves. It was like really good.
Oh yeah. So guys, let's jump right in and see how Five Guys burgers and fries is tasting. Wait, we didn't tell them what we got. So what you get?
I got a bacon cheeseburger with some condiments. Before I even jump into my condiments, guys, you could throw 1,000 condiments on there and it's included with the burger. Sorry, I had to throw that in there because.
So what'd you get on your burger?
Okay, so I got lettuce, I got tomato, I got grilled jalapeno, ketchup,
Your
mayonnaise.
mouth is watering. You get hungry?
Yeah, like.
Your mouth is warm. I can hit.
Yeah, ketchup. I think that's it. Yeah.
I got the bacon cheeseburger as well. I got grilled onions, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, pickles, ketchup, and a little mustard. So that's what I got.
Pickles too.
I said that.
No, I'm saying I forgot to say
Oh,
pickles too.
you did. Oh, guys. So let's jump right in and taste these fries. Hate it or love it.
So we got regular fries, guys. They have like different flavor fries.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't offer you guys any.
Y'all know Trini don't share.
Guys, I forgot to tell you. Look at the bag. Look at all this grease. Y'all see all this grease? There's so much fries in here. It's like, well, like, you know what? I was gonna say they're giving you extra fries, but for the price, nah, they ain't extra fries. You pay for it.
Right. This is a large, and it was like $6.75, I believe.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It's like $6 for the fries. It's $10 for a burger. So the least they could do is give you extra fries in the bag.
Mm-hmm. You ever make like homemade French fries and the potatoes? Like at home? That's what they taste like.
It does taste like homemade fries.
Mm-hmm.
It's slightly salted. It's not too salty. It has a distinct flavor, almost like sweet potato fries. It's not like your regular fast food fries that you get from McDonald's, Burger King.
And these.
It's not. It has it might be the fact that they fry it in peanut oil, but it gives it a good flavor. I like it.
I like it too. It's good.
I'm gonna give these fries 8. I give it an 8. And that's by itself. I ain't even dip it in nothing. I'm gonna dip it in barbecue sauce.
Oh, that's a good idea. But I like that I can just eat these fries without any sauces because it actually tastes pretty good. Not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
You like your barbecue sauce?
Nah, I don't like the barbecue sauce. I like the fries by itself. What you give the fries?
Don't like it barbecue sauce. One more. I'll give them a 7.
You give fries a 7. Fair enough. Guys, I'm ready for the burger. I'm ready for the main course. Are you ready for the burger?
Yeah, these things look huge.
Come with 2 patties.
For 10 something.
They better come with 2, right? They should have put 3.
You gotta pay extra for
3?
For 3. You gotta pay $2.20 if you want 3 patties. So if you want an additional patty, you gotta pay extra.
I don't want 3 though. That's open. No.
And I just want to let you know. So this is their regular. If you don't want 2 patties, you have to order the little burger, and you only get 1 patty.
Man, that's looking good.
Right?
Oh God.
Guys, look at my burger.
Man, your burger looking good. Why yours looking like that? Mine looking like this. Hold on, look. I got 1 lettuce.
I'm not sure.
One of my lettuce looking yellow. Yours looking like a burger. Yours looking healthy.
This person's healthy.
I ain't got no pickles.
Something alright.
Chef Trini mad.
That is messed
They got
up.
my order wrong. I'm a little upset because I ain't got no pickles. Hold on, I asked for mustard.
They ain't put no mustard on that either?
Oh, I got my mustard, but I ain't get no pickles. All right, let me taste this burger. I'm already mad. I might be a little biased.
Oh no. Why you watching my burger so?
Let me show them our burgers. Look at your burger. Look at mine. Man.
I mean, we both have 2 patties though. I'm just saying. How are you so angry? You want to taste mine?
Nah, I don't want to taste yours.
I was just sharing.
I don't want to taste yours.
Jeez Louise.
I'm a little disappointed in Five Guys.
I can't believe that. No pickles? You can have one of my pickles.
I don't want your pickles.
I didn't bite it.
I don't want it.
It's whole.
I don't want it.
Okay. Remember, I offered him one of my pickles. I must say my burger tastes. I think my burger tastes pretty good.
Yours tastes pretty good?
Yeah.
My burger tastes meh.
Because it's missing pickles?
Not even. It's just meh.
I'm sorry about that. Maybe if you taste mine.
Let me take a bite. Since you're harassing me, let me taste.
I
it.
feel bad, you know? I can't believe I did that to you. Now you got mixed ratings, huh? Something not right.
That burger's a 10.
I'm telling you. So,
That burger is a 10. The different people make our orders?
I don't remember.
That burger tastes good. I'm gonna give that burger a 10. I'm gonna give this a 5. I give this a 5. That burger, guys, tell them what you got in your burger again. Let them know what you got in your burger, because that burger is the bomb.
I got bacon, I got cheese.
I'm sorry. Taste mine. I'm so rude.
All right.
Taste mine.
Come.
Come. Taste mine, because something ain't right, because your burger tastes good.
Well, from the looks of it, something ain't right.
Yeah, when I unwrapped it, I was like, yo, mine looking a little dry compared to yours. It's because I'm black.
No, it's not.
Tell me, but first rate your burger. Rate yours before you rate mine, because I said that's a 10 and this is a 5.
Mine is a 10. Yours is so boring.
I don't know.
It tastes like just 2 patties.
Burnt patties, dry patties.
Dry patties.
It tastes like, yes. Well, guys, you heard it first. But let them know again what's on your burger, because that's a 10 right there. And I recommend getting everything she got on her burger.
Yes, I got bacon, I got cheese, mayonnaise, ketchup, pickles, grilled jalapenos.
Oh, I taste those grilled jalapenos. That gives it a nice kick.
And my onions were not grilled, they're fresh onions. And ketchup, guys. That's all.
Guys, so you hate it or love it?
I absolutely love it.
I love that. I hate this. Guys, we hope you like this review. Go check out Five Guys Burgers and Fries.
Make sure they cook it in front of you and you watch what they're doing.
And put everything that she's got on there. And we are out.